What's up, you guys? We're back to another episode here of the Savage Indian Tribute bike. I got it running a little bit last night, and basically it would run for a few minutes if I put my hand over the intake of the carburetor, and it would just sputter out. I'm giving the carb a good cleaning. I've got some parts in dip here. Unfortunately, the one jet has been so stripped out by somebody trying to remove it. I can't get it out of there, so I'm going to try to clean it with a stick pin here, if that helps. And I did squirt a little bit of carb cleaner down in there, but honestly I'm wondering if it's not this janky ass pop they put on here just causing it not to run, because obviously it's not set up to run with such a thing. So I'm going to try that. And I could keep trying to rejet and stuff, but I'm not sure if I'll do that or just get an actual Savage exhaust to put on here instead of dealing with all that crap. So I know I'm going to switch to pod filter, so I might mess around with that to see if that helps with the straight pop, but I don't know. The carb looked decent when I got it open. So I don't know if that's even what's wrong, but I've got the other jet right down in there. So I'm going to slap her back together and see what happens. Alright, you guys, we got the carb back in, and we're going ahead and give it another shot. I'll prop you up here the best I can. Apologies. I bought a tripod yesterday, and it didn't have the mount in it for a phone, so let's do the best we can. The battery's starting to get a little weak now. Okay, so we got gas pouring out of the overflow. We'll figure that out. Okay, be back soon.